Hey, there you are. There he is. Henry McClure Live, soaking up some sunshine. So I'm doing that, hey, be a tourist in your own town, right? And I've been thinking about, lately I've been thinking about Little Russia. And I'd really love to delve into some of the history around here. So I popped over, through, where I live at 520 by Amtrak. I came over the iconic Kansas Avenue Bridge that has an iconic, it does have an iconic walkway. And I decided today to come over here to what was Peruski's, and now it's called Little Russia Chili Parlor. Little Russia Chili Parlor. I mean, what a quaint place. What a cool little place. I used to come in here all the time. I liked coming in here when I drank because you could drink a lot. They had these real little beers, and they weren't very expensive. But let's take a look. Let's take a look at what they got. Boy, they've done some remodeling around here. Hey, how are you? This is Henry McClure Live Show. Were you expecting me? Huh. All right. Casey McClennan told me to come here.
Oh, yeah. Welcome.
Yeah.
How are you?
Hey, good. What's your name?
Caesar.
Caesar. Hail, Caesar.
How are you?
Henry McClure. Say hello to everybody. Who's this young lady?
How are you?
Merry Christmas. If you don't want to be filmed, you just say, go away, Henry. All right, let's check it out. Oh, we got people in here. We got customers. Say hello. Hello. You're live on the Henry McClure Live Show. I won't film you unless you want to be interviewed. Well, they got the bar open. It's totally remodeled. They used to have old booths right here in the day. Well, let's see. I'm going to grab some lunch. Doing some promotions for these fellas.
There you go.
Yeah, why not? All right, look at all this food. They're known for their chili. Back in the day, used to get a cold plate. But Casey didn't call you?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to get like a turkey sandwich.
Okay.
And chili.
Okay. And then you.
And your name?
Daniela.
Hey, yeah, look at it. So, this place is nice.
I know.
So, we're gonna help you get some more business.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
It. Thank you.
What's the special? What do you like? What's the most favorite thing you like?
Pastrami Reuben.
Pastrami Reuben?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do that.
You want to do that?
Yeah, why not?
Yeah.
Pastrami Reuben and chili.
Yes.
All right, I'm here for the duration. Okay, look at that. They got the condiments here, crackers. So they got it separated. The drinking lounge and the dining lounge. I tell you what, the remodel looks good. So we're going to dig in. I'm going to take a short break. Who's there? Jim? Hello, Jim. I don't know where you are. You're always traveling around. But I'm going to hang out here and have some lunch. We'll get some pictures later. Look at that. They got cold beer if you want to get tuned up. Look at that Jayhawk. I kind of like this stuff. All right, I'm live here in Little Russia. The Chili Parlor.